Hello students, in this week we are going to continue talking about recycle or reuse materials. Well, the title for this week is Let's Manage Solid Waste, and the activity Small Changes Can Make a Big Difference. Okay, uh, before to explain the activity for this week, I'm going to, well, let's remember the last activity. The last activity, you had to make a list of recycled materials and also you wrote a list of products or objects that you can make using recycled materials. Okay, for this week, you have two options. Option A, create an illustrated set of instructions to make a piggy bank with a plastic bottle. Option A. Okay, the first step, look at a picture with instructions to make a piggy bank with a plastic bottle. Okay, you have to look carefully these steps. And step number 2, write instructions from each picture. Under each picture, you have to write instructions. For example, paint the bottle pink. Okay, also, you write the instructions using short sentences, starting with a verb. Paint is a verb. Okay, step number 3, add sequence words to your instructions. Add sequence words to your instructions. Okay, for example, you can add, first I cut the bottle, no? Then I paint the bottle pink, for example, no? After that, finally, okay. And option B, make an illustrated set of instructions to make a new object from recycled materials you can find in your house. Step 1, make, okay, if you choose this option, you can take one of the objects that you wrote in your list, okay, and it's the same steps that option A. Step 1, make the object from recycled materials and draw or take pictures of the process. Step number 2, write instructions for each picture of the process. Check the glossary to know the meaning of some words. Okay, these are the same instructions, but if you don't know a word, maybe you can look for the word in your vocabulary. So remember that I always tell you that it's important to check your material. And step number 3, add sequence words to your instructions. Use the same words, for example, first, then, after that, no, finally, for example. Remember that maybe you choose option A or option B, but for this evidence, for the evidence of week 26, these are the characteristics. Number 1, the illustrated set of instructions includes all the steps to make a new object from recycled materials. Number 2, each instruction has a picture that helps understand the actions that should be done. And option 3, the illustrated set of instructions includes the use of correct sequence words to describe the steps that have to be followed to make the new product. Remember that you have to use the sequence words. What are the sequence words? First, then, after that, now, finally. Okay. Okay, students, if you have a question or or maybe you don't understand something, please send me a message. Okay, bye.